Hey, I'm Courtney and I want to tell you about the Mama and Wish Postpartum Kit Plus. It comes with all the goodies the regular postpartum kit has, plus this one has the witch hazel pad liners and a super comfy and practical maternity gown. Let me show you. Here's the gown I was talking about. It has snap closures all the way down the back and on the front, on the sides for easy access for breastfeeding. So it also has pockets and the fabric is super soft. It comes with 4 underwear and 1 pair of socks with anti-slip grips on the bottom. And this Peri bottle is super helpful, great size, easy to carry, and comes with a little bag to store it and keep it clean. The see-through caddy bag included is great, always practical to have an extra one around to keep your essentials tidy. And the instant ice pads are awesome. You activate the ice by bending them, and you can use them as is, or you could use the included witch hazel pad liners with or without the included foam on top. So it's really helpful to use all 3 together, and it really helps with the healing process and provides cooling relief. The kit comes with 4 ice pads, a 24 pack of the witch hazel pad liners, and 5-ounce bottle of the witch hazel healing foam. The Mama and Wish Postpartum Kit Plus really has everything you need to make your delivery and postpartum that much more comfortable. Whether it's for yourself or as a gift, this kit is a must.